Hello, this is just another video by Lucas-Erkana about computer science, computer studies. All right, so here we go. So problem was posted and this is the problem. Okay, a traffic light system uses logic gates as part of the control system. The system operated when the output D is, okay, so our final result is D, all right? And has the value of 1. Okay, this happens when either signal A, so we have an A, and we are saying signal A, or also let's say signal A is red. Okay, so now when let me jump right ahead to the bottom here. Note you may assume that the problem that red is 0 and green is 1. So therefore, we have two A's. Okay, so we have a red A and we have a green A. Okay, so now whenever it's red, that means not A. Whenever it's green, then it's just simply A. Okay, then we have, then we say, or signal A is green. Okay, so when it's green, it's A. And signal B and C are both red. So we're saying we have a B, two B's, and we also have two C's. Okay, now these C's, the B and the C, can either be red or green. Now when B is red, that means not B, going through the NOT gate. And then when it is B, when it is green, then it's simply B. And when C is red, then we are saying not C. And then when it's green, then it's C. So now the statement goes, okay, signal is red. So we know that when it is red, we'll say not, and then immediately we see an or there, so we put an or there. Okay, let me just let me merge them into one. Okay, we make this nice and big and we center it. Okay, so we're saying not B, or I'm gonna open some brackets here, and then I'm gonna say signal is green, so that's A, and then we say and it is the result of B. We can't say B because B and C, let's say B, both B and C are red, so we're saying not B and not C because they are both red. Right, then I will close this bracket at the end there. All right, okay, I hope that makes sense. Yeah, okay, so like I said, it says here A signal is red, right? So that means not A. Like I said here, whenever A is red, then it is not A because red is equal to 0. And if green is 1, then if A is green, then it is 1. In order for it to become red, it has to go through a NOT gate. Excellent. Okay, so now let's draw this logic circuit. All right, so if we go to this logic circuit here, I'm going to have, I know I'm supposed to have what? A, B, and C, and then the final result will be D. So that will be equal to D. All right, so now up in here, we're gonna have some labels. We're gonna have A, we're gonna have B, we're gonna have C. Okay, so we know that it is not A. Okay, so we're gonna have a NOT gate here. Press it right there. Okay, let's just place it right. Okay, we can place it there, and then we can have a wire going all the way there. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this a bit further, okay, just so that I have enough room. Okay, so that's not A because this is the final result. Okay, so whatever comes out from this section here, let's make it green. No, can't make it green. Let's make this entire section um, could just choose a different color. Okay, so whatever comes out from here is coming to meet the result of not at an OR gate. Okay, good. So we move on. So now I'm gonna go into the brackets first. Oops, so get the spelling mistake there, not C. Okay, so we wanna do not B, not C, and they go through a NOT gate. Okay, so let's first do this. We'll make this a different color, and we'll make this a different color. All right, so now we know that they are different. Okay, so not B, where is not B? So I'm just gonna put a NOT somewhere here, and another one again for C, just there. Then I'm gonna get a line to stretch up to there, another line stretch up to there, and then these two. So we are done with these two. So we have a not B, not C, and then they should meet at an AND gate. So we go find an AND gate. Where's the AND gate? There's the AND gate. So place it right there, and then we get ourselves a line, goes there, and then there. Now we are done with this part. Okay, so now this must meet A at an AND gate. Okay, so we need another AND gate. So we go in and we put in an AND gate right there, and we want to come from the result from here. I'm sorry. The result from here must meet there, and what must it meet? It must meet A. So we're gonna start somewhere there. Just gonna make a nice line there, and we go and meet at an AND gate. And the results from there, so now we are done with this whole part. So now we want this whole part to meet this whole part, the not A, at an OR gate. So we find an OR gate. Where is the OR gate? Put it right there. And then we get a line from the NOT gate right there, and they meet right there at an OR gate to give us D. We are looking for D, so we get D. Just move it closer there. Okay, and we have our logic circuit. Okay, now for the truth table is much easier. So for the truth table, I'm just going to open a new sheet. Okay, and then I'm gonna have A, B, C, and then this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, let me just copy this down here. Sorry, let me merge it first. Paste it in there. Center it, make it nice and big. Okay, so now what was I doing? I was completing this, all the possible values of 1 and 0. Okay, and then this will be 0, 1, and then we simply copy and paste it right there, and so on. Okay, then I'm just gonna make this bigger and center it. Okay, so we have our values. Okay, so we want not A. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is get not A. Not A is right there. Okay, make that bigger. In fact, let's make everything bigger. What size is this? 17. Okay, we'll make everything 17 in here. Excellent. Okay, so that's not A. All right, so what I like to actually make this change this color to a specific color. So let's make it yellow, for example. Okay, so we know the result of yellow. Okay, so that is opposite of whenever something goes through a NOT gate, we just get the opposite. And then if these ones are zeros, then these ones will be ones. And then if those ones are ones, then this result will be zeros. Okay, let's just make it yellow again. All right, good. So now we will have not A. Now we will need not B. Okay, let's get not B. So not B and not C. Okay, now not B is again the opposite. So if these two are zeros, okay, let's say these two are ones, then the output will be 0, and this one will be 0. And then if those ones are zeros, then this will be ones, or this will be ones. Okay, then this one is also the opposite. So if that is 0, that is 1, and then we just copy and paste. Let's see if we can copy and paste. Yes, we can. So that's, you see, the opposite of 0 is 1. Opposite of 1 is 0 for not C. Okay, so now we have not B. Okay, so that will be maybe pink if I like it. Let's make it, yeah, that's good. And then we'll make this maybe, let's see, how does it look? Okay, that looks nice. Okay, so we have those two results. Okay, remember this one, don't forget, it's just there, we're just packing it for now. Then we want now this result. Okay, so these two are going through an AND gate. Okay, so an AND gate is usually multiplication. So if 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0, 0 times 1 0, 0 times 0 0, 1 times 1 1, 1 times 0 0, 0 times 1 0, and then that will be 0. Okay, we just center that, give it a different color. I'll make it maybe green. Let's make it green. Okay, so now we have that result. Now we want this entire to go through the AND gate, to go through the AND gate with A. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy A just the way it is, and then I'm going to put it right next to it so that you don't have any confusion. So now we want this entire sum. Okay, this entire sum, we place it in there. Okay, right, now let's make A different color. Let's say orange, like orange. Okay, now they are going through an AND gate, right? So we are taking this result right here and this one here, and we are going through the AND gate. Like we said, the AND gate is multiplication. So this will be 1 times 1, 1 times 0 is 0, 0 times 0, 0 times 0, 0 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1, 0 times 1 is 0, 0, and so on. Okay, so now we have this result, and we want it to go through the OR gate. To get through the OR gate, it must go through with the NOT A. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it right there, and then our final result is going to be D. Okay, I'm not going to put that whole sum there, it's too big. Okay, so that is A and B. I'm sorry, this is the result for that, and this is the result of that to give us D, the final answer. Okay, so maybe we can give this another color. I like this blue. Nice. Okay, so they are going through the OR gate. Okay, the OR gate is addition basically. But if we find 1 plus 1, then we just write 1. Okay. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and then 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, so we are complete. We have completed the task. Okay, please, for any more questions, please don't hesitate to contact